welcome to B&D Product Review. My name is Danny and this is Bobby. This is our introduction video to tell you a little bit about our channel. Okay, buddy.
We'll be reviewing multiple different websites and products such as
Amazon, eBay,
Party City,
Party City, and
Walmart,
Wish,
and many more.
Yeah, we'll be
Many
reviewing.
more to come.
What was that, buddy?
Many more to come.
Yeah, many more to come. Yeah, so you can always comment down our videos, any one of them. Just let us know what you think about it and what you like us to review.
Make sure to always stay tuned for many more videos.
Yeah. Thanks for watching.
Make sure to like, subscribe, and comment down below. We'll see you next time.